What's going on, everybody? So I want to give you an update on 1-800-copywriter.com and basically my ClickFunnels account right now. So I'm having issues. So I was drop shipping coffee beans. So the business model was, it was a subscription business model. The target market was dog moms, right? So I was doing a free plus shipping for coffee beans, and then I was including a free dog toy plus free dog training. So I'm having issues, huge issues with the coffee beans being delivered on time. So my Stripe account, my business manager, everything got banned. So I'm having problems with my business account being able to pay for ClickFunnels. This happened on, I think it was Christmas Eve. I still have not received anything from an email back from ClickFunnels trying to figure this stuff out. My issue was with the 3PL, so the third-party logistics. They were not sending everything out in time. I think my average wait was like 4 weeks, 5 weeks. So all of my stuff just got shut down, realistically. So that's why the 1-800-copywriter.com is not up. That's why you can't access the jarvis.ai intensified workshop. I've been getting a bunch of emails from that. I am super sorry about that. Right now, I am transferring everything over from ClickFunnels to go high level. I got to recreate all of my sales funnels, but it just blew up in my face, realistically. I didn't expect this to happen, and I'm having some difficulties with ClickFunnels. I have the funds, but I can't give them the money. I still have not been contacted from ClickFunnels, so I'm having some difficulties with all of this, right? So right now I'm transferring platforms. I've got everything else figured out. With my Stripe account, I'm working with them as well to get everything back verified. Realistically, I would like to just pay for it through my personal account, but they flag that as well. So if you're trying to access the free Jarvis AI intensified workshops, do me a huge favor, just keep emailing me and I will send you the links through email. If you guys want to jump on a phone call, talk about this or your marketing or whatever problems you're having and you need help with Jarvis, I have no problem doing that as well. Just going through a lot of stuff at the moment. But this 2022 is going to be a great year for Jarvis and creating more content. I'm super sorry for the inconvenience that this has caused, but I just wanted to be super transparent of what is going on with the ClickFunnels account that I'm using. So if you got any questions, do me a huge favor, leave them down below and I will answer them as soon as possible.